In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the area in Google Earth Pro. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to locate the area. So for example, I'm going to use this area over here around San Francisco. And then whenever you've done that, you want to open up your ruler. So up top, you have this ruler option. Click on it. If it's not showing, go to over here, tools, and click on where you can see ruler. Now, whenever you do this, you can of course go and click on polygon. And then from here, you'll be able to see the area. So you can change it, of course, the units over here, square meters, kilometers, whatever you want to use. I'm just going to use square kilometers right now. And then you can go and use mouse navigation. And here you can just click wherever you want. So I'm going to click a few points over here. And what's going to happen here is it's going to start forming like a polygon over here, which is going to be the area, okay? So you just have to click on all of this. Now I'm not going to be very precise over here. I'm just going to choose this part of this area over here like that. There we go. And then whenever you're done, of course, you can see the area over here has been written down, okay? So that's the easiest way to find the area. Now you can save this or clear this, and if you want to change any of these parts, you could go and click and drag them out or in however you want, and that's going to show you the exact perimeter as well as your area, okay? So that's essentially how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.